Hello students, welcome to all. Today we are going to see the multimedia. This is our chapter 4. Okay, let's start the class. Multimedia. This is our chapter topic. In this topic, in this lesson, we are going to cover some topics. We are going to learn something in this lesson. What we are going to learn? First one is that what are the programs in the multimedia? We have to know. Then second is the uses of multimedia, and third is the how to install the multimedia CD-ROM in our system. And two more topics we are having, and then uses of Windows Media Player, how to use the Windows Media Player, and then last is the playing games, how to play the games in our system computer. Okay, first one is the multimedia. What is the multimedia? The multimedia is nothing but it is a combination of all the medias. The media such as the text, audio, video, word, and then animation. These are the media, individual medias. Audio is an individual media, text is an individual media, word, video, and then animation. These all are the individual media. We combine it together, we get the multimedia. When we combine it together, we get the multimedia. Okay. Then the multimedia programs are mostly available in the CD-ROM. Using the CD, we have to install the software. The games, the multimedia working software, it is available in the CD. And then the programs such as that Tom and Jerry, most of the cartoons and then some movies are made with the help of the multimedia. Tom and Jerry is a most famous cartoon, and then Tweety is another cartoon. Nowadays children are like to watch the Shin Chan. It is also one example for the multimedia. And then Chhota Bheem. These all are the example of the multimedia. The children are like to watch these cartoons. Uses of multimedia. What are the uses in the multimedia? We are playing games. This is one kind of multimedia. And then listening music. Music is also that multimedia. We are listening music in the system. This is the multimedia. And then type a document. The educational purpose. For educational purpose also the multimedia is using very well. And then watch a movie. We are all watching the movie in the computer. This is also one example for the multimedia. And then the creating advertisements, and the advertisements such as that ad in between the serial, the movies, that TV channels are telecasting some ads. This is also the multimedia. Movies, games, and then give training to the students and then workers. Everything is that multimedia. And then install multimedia. How to install? First of all, we buy the CD, multimedia CD from the shop. Then you have to kept in that CD drive, system CD drive. The CD drive the CD drive is fixed in the CPU. You have to keep the CD in the system CD drive, and you click the DVD icon in your computer, my computer. Then you get the system setup details, the CD-ROM setup details about that software. Suppose you are going to install the Angry Bird game, you had the system setup details. You just click that application, you will get some system setup dialog box. You set up that location where you are going to save that game, Angry Bird game. Everything you have to select and click the OK. The game is automatically installed in your computer. Later you have to use it. And then use the multimedia software. The multimedia software, I already said that I gave one example, but now you install the multimedia software using the CD-ROM. Now you are installed, and how you are using the installed software. It is available in that all programs. Click the all programs, you will get that name of the software, and you click that name. Click the all programs, you get the name. You can see the name of the software. You click that name, the software name, you will get that another window, that software window, the particular software window. The software such like a Children's Encarta or the Angry Bird, any other software, you will get that window. You can work in that software. Okay, play a movie or song. How to play a movie or song? in our book they gave one example is that window media player, how to play that. In that all programs menu, while you click the start button, you get that all programs. In that all programs menu, you get that Windows Media Player option. Just see that screen, you get the Windows Media Player option, and then in that after you click that Windows Media Player, it opened the library. It shows some default audio, default video in your system, and you can open that playlist, and you can open the pictures, videos, everything in that site tree menu. Everything is available in that Windows Media Player. Playing games. In some OS like that, OS is an operating system. In Windows 7 OS, it has the default games. There are all programs menu. You have to select the games. In the games, while you click the games, you get some games what you are installed defaultly in your computer. And if you want that some installed game which you are installed manually, you have to open it. Now I show the example for the default games. If I want the chess titans, I double click that icons. The chess titans is available on that screen. You can play the chess that in your computer. Thank you students for watching this video. Thank you all.